Welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I'm going to try to do it this way. I'm going to try to film it with the light that comes from my camera. I'm not sure how much shadow my hand is going to create. We'll see how it does. This is, again, one of our summer soaps. Not one of the solstice soaps, but one of the new ones we're doing for summer. It is inspired by the song Wasn't Me by Shaggy. And I've been wanting to name a soap after this song for a really long time now and just couldn't find the fragrance. Well, I found a fragrance called Blood Orange Martini. And while it smelled great, I wanted a blood orange mango martini. So this is a custom blend by me of the blood orange martini and just mango. And yeah, it's going to be kind of an interesting color palette, and we're going to do an in the pot swirl. So it's our Hawthorne recipe, which means my yogurt and my heavy cream, of course, are in here, and my lye water is my distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And I will go over the colors with you when we come back. Okay, this is a very, very light trace. Needed it to be a very light trace. There is still black on my blender from doing Smells Like Teen Spirit. That's not a good thing. And I just found some black on there too. Hopefully I don't find any more, because that would be bad. Okay. Alright. Oh, my little cup isn't not there. Oops. Okay, so like I said, this is a very, very, very light emulsification. I'm going to pull this out so I can pour off. So, I've got my dark shimmer gold. I've got Siesta Salsa or Sunset Siesta orange. I have neon orange. And I have red for our blood. And then for the base, I'm going to use a combination of Banana Boat Yellow and Neon Yellow. So let me put the Banana Boat in first. Jeez. Oh, wait a minute. Is this Banana Boat? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. It just looked lighter, probably because of the lighting. Banana Boat Yellow. Maybe a little bit more than that. Just a teeny bit. And then I have my neon, which I'm not going to put as much neon in as I think I want to, but we'll leave the spoon there just in case, because obviously I have to go lightest to darkest, and this will be my lightest. So let me mix these up and we'll be back. Get all of this off of here. Dun, dun, dun. Wasn't me. It's kind of funny because this has been in a lot of commercials lately. This song has. Yes. What is that? Oh, thank you. My husband brought me down my bottle of beer. I'm going to make a beer soap pretty soon, which also sort of will be in the summer collection. I'll put it away. Beer, summer, that kind of thing. It's going to be one of my men's soaps. I probably should be using a scent I'm familiar with, but of course I'm going to experiment, and I'm going to use a scent that I've never used before. So yay! Okay. I really think Judy's going on me. because I should have, sorry guys. I should have done the fragrance. Hold on. Let me just make sure everything's off the bottom of these cups. Okay, let me pour the fragrance in. I know the mango doesn't rice, it doesn't speed up trace. Yeah, this is good. Boy, it really did slow trace down. I'm gonna have to open that bottle of beer and let it sit down here and get flat before I can cook the alcohol out of it. Although I'll have to put it in my soap room just in case my cats get a hankering for some beer. Because that's the thing with beer soap, or beer, wine soap, whatever, you have to cook the alcohol out of it. Okay, and our yellow. I think our yellow turned out really well. I like the color of it. So, and this is going to be pretty simple. I'm not going to let it thicken up. At least not right now, I'm not. Although, I don't, because this is 38 ounces of oils, I may leave it flat on the top. So I think I won't scrape off with dumping these in here. You know, that way I have something to put on the top. And our, whoop, let's knock cups over, because that's awesome. And my red. Okay. Oh, get my washcloth. Alright. So here's some bright summer colors. Let's bring you in closer. Here we go. Woo! That was perfect, actually. Glad I didn't scrape that off. Perfect. Okay. I think this is going to be an interesting soap when I cut it open here. I think I only want to put some red and some of the neon orange on the top. And then I can put the rest of it in, in a mold. So let me just put a little bit more red on the top here, because I don't need it, you know, it doesn't matter if it falls through just a little bit. See, so not all of the red is being put on there. Same with the orange. Oh, I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it. I think I need to mix some of these neons with some oil, so I have them if I ever want, you know, a real pop on the top of a soap. I think I'll do that this week. Let me just wipe off these sides. I know you guys are like, you're killing me, lady. question is, do I leave it like it is, like a pollock? Or do I swirl it? I kind of like the chaotic look of it. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Ooh, that's really bright. Here, hold on. Dang it. Well, dang. I'm trying to figure it out here. And you know what? Me doing this will also help me determine what lighting is better. And if the lighting, you know, with the camera is better for you guys when I like edit videos and stuff, I'll keep it like that. Because I've been trying to find a good light up setting forever. I think I am going to swirl it. Yeah, let's. I don't want to do an infinity swirl, and I really don't want to do the thing back and up. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of go back and forth in like an arc. So it's not straight across. And then play with it because, well, I like to do that. Let's play with the soap because I like it. Okay. Alright, let me spray it with alcohol. It's going to have to sit here because it's really liquidy. And I will dump the rest of it in a cupcake holder. And yeah, 18 to 24 hours, then we'll cut it. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye. What are you doing? Okay, we're going to cut. Ava's with me. Let me take my potato peeler to this. We're going to cut Wasn't Me. That's what this soap is called. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You know that song, don't ya?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to see how cool this is going to? I hope this is going to look really cool. Nice, bright, summery colors. Oh, sweet. Oh, paper towel. That would be helpful. Helpful, helpful. Okay, here we go. First piece. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, look on the...
Look at that. That's awesome.
I'm going to take a piece home.
That is, did you smell it?
No.
Smell it.
I want to hold it and smell.
Okay. And then put it on the tray. On the stove. Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah, it looks good.
It's got sort of like a carbonation smell to it. Doesn't it kind of smell like pop?
Yeah, it smells like wash kind of.
Yeah, it does. It's kind of an interesting thing. I'll put all the fragrance notes in the description box below so you guys can see the... Oh, Ava! Look at that red swirl. Is that nice?
I want to take a piece
This
home.
this is what I'm showing her right here. And this little piece of the...
I want to take one home.
You want to take... Well, you can't take one home. You can have one after they're cured.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we have a
You like... You want everyone... Oh, these are so cool. Here, I'll give them to you so you can look at them and then you can put them on the tray. How's that? I know, right?
You've got a piece to peel.
What? Oh, yeah, because it's all right. Don't worry about it. It's just soft on the bottom because it was frozen.
And
Just be careful. Don't squish it. And just do like this. Watch, Mimi. Like this. There you go. And then that is gone. I was showing her how to smooth out the bottom of the soap. And you can do that on the sides too. Did you know that?
And the top?
Well, the top is a little bit harder than the bottom and stuff because this was in the freezer. Yep. Why are they so far apart, child? She's putting them all far apart. Can you not reach back there? You really like this one, huh? Yeah.
Sounds very cool.
Here you go. It wasn't me. Do you think the song goes with the smell?
No.
No? You don't think so?
Who sent us this?
I'd have to look it up. It's been a few days. I would seriously have to look it up. I've had my beer, so I'm looking at the beer I have sitting on my counter for my men's beer soap, and yeah, I know, I saw. And it's been flat I've had it out here for 5 days. It's flat enough, I think. My beer. I'm gonna let you take this home once it's cured, okay?
What's a cure?
Cured. Remember, it's got to sit in Mimi's soap room for a few weeks.
A week?
No, a few weeks.
A week?
I always check them in about 3.5 weeks. With my water discount, it takes about 3.5 weeks. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with us. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
All right, see you later. Bye-bye.